Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Dr. Kimberly L Evans. I'm a board certified OB/GYN doctor out here in Sugar Land, Texas. Um, the name of our spa is called Sugar Land Medical Spa, of course, because we're out here. So I want to talk to you about something really exciting that we have. It's called the Emsella. If you haven't heard of that, here's a little brochure on it. Again, the BTL Emsella. And as you can see, there's a patient sitting on it and she looks pretty darn comfortable and she's fully clothed. So what makes this so exciting is that this is new technology that's actually FDA approved to help treat, guess what, incontinence. So this is something that affects a lot of women, and unfortunately a lot of women are afraid to talk about it. Usually it should be known that there's a lot of women that are out there, and no matter where we're from, we all can experience this at one time or another. These are things that have to do with having babies, getting older, things shifting around in there, and unfortunately it's something that has led to a very large industry of poise pads, pads in general, depends. Again, what I'm referring to is just basic incontinence. This is something that can sneak up on you when you're young as 30, because I have patients that are very athletic, and unfortunately from exercising they will lose urine. This is something that can have also as we get older. Again, changes in our body. It can come from exertion, from coughing, sneezing, things like that. And again, it's loss in urine. So let's talk about what is the Emsella. The Emsella, as you can see here, it's basically a special chair. It uses electromagnetic waves, and what happens is that those waves trigger the pelvic floor muscles, and it's almost like doing pelvic floor therapy. How exciting is this? Now, in the olden days, we used to just talk about doing Kegels, but Kegels are hard to do. They require a lot of concentration, and a lot of times we have a lot of stuff on our mind. Well, imagine sitting in a chair like this and being able to do 11,000 Kegels in a 28-minute session. Doesn't that sound exciting? Well, it really is. Most people require 6 sessions in order to complete the process. So basically you'd come in, you get your session, and you're able to go home. It's basically something most people can do over their lunchtime, in and out type of thing. And again, there's no downtime with it, and that's what makes it so exciting. So when you're sitting on the machine, it feels like your whole pelvis is basically throbbing because of the fact that the way that the machinery is working inside of you. So, but again, I guess I shouldn't say inside of you, because it's really not inside of you, because again, it's just a chair that you sit on. But it's really a game changer, because for a lot of people, they're able to have incontinence. It has more than a 90% satisfaction rate. And again, because it's non-invasive, it's something where a lot of people, if you were not interested in having surgery right away, this is something that you can use as an alternative to treatment. Some doctors are actually using this as first-line treatment before they even take people to surgery. In addition, other surgery things that have been done in the past has to do with using mesh. Well, there's a lot of data that's out there in using mesh, and mesh can be scary for some people. So therefore, this is a perfect alternative for you. Again, it's non-surgical, there's no downtime, it's a walk-in, walk-out procedure, and again, you don't even have to change clothes. So again, that procedure is called the BTL Emsella. It's here at Sugar Land Medical Spa. You can feel free to give us a call, 713-273-5804. Feel free to let us know if you have any additional questions, or you can actually schedule your appointment online. And our website is sugarlandmedicalspa.com. Take care. Thank you.